Yes, it's anti-gravity box. You heard it right. There is no editing magic in it, it's pure science. Watch the clip again. Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Every object in this universe possesses gravitational force. The bigger it is, the more the force it has. What if you drop an object, it falls down? If you repeat the same experiment on Jupiter, it falls down even faster. The bigger the object is, the more mass it has, the stronger the acceleration will be. We have two popular theories related to falling objects: Aristotle's theory of gravity and Galileo's theory of gravity. Aristotle's theory of gravity states that if you have two objects that are left from the same height, the heavier object will fall first. And that's not true, we know that. While Galileo's theory of gravity states that if you have two objects left from the same height, both will fall at the same time. And we know that's true. When coming to this box, is it anti-gravity? And why it's defying the gravity for some time? See the clip again. This looks better in slow motion. See, it stays on air for some time. I was stunned when I saw this for the first time. Look closely. When he leaves the box, it is staying there like it's anti-gravity, but after a second, it's falling like a normal object. Let's compare it with a ball. Wow, slow-mo. You can clearly see the difference. You may think of air resistance because this is a thermocol box, but this is not the reason. When we drop a similar box which is not an anti-gravity, the result will be the same. Something mysterious in this anti-gravity box. My friend Rakesh from scimagine made this anti-gravity box and it was awesome, right? Let me know in the comments. You can check his version of the same video in his channel scimagine. Links in the description. What's inside this amazing box? What's making it anti-gravity? Let me know in the comments. Share this video with your friends who are good at physics or science. Think and comment down the best possible answer you can think of. It can be any answer, just write it down in the comments. Anyhow, the answer will be released soon, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. I highly recommend you to check my friend Rakesh's channel scimagine, where he puts a lot of content related to this. Especially I like the concept Lightron.
Continue wearing mask, maintain social distance is the message what superhero Lightron is sharing across the city of Hyderabad doing public shows.
Click the first link in the description and it will take straight to his channel and you can find a lot of interesting topics. That's it for today, and don't forget to comment in the comment box and share this video with your friends. So meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.
Only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
We are trying to cover as many parts of Hyderabad.
Please maintain social distance for a meter at least.
Even a superhero has to wear mask. Superhero saves the world, so as the vaccines. This is the message what I am trying to push across the city of Hyderabad using the example of my superhero video being displayed on this holographic projector. In my superhero video, which is a science fiction video, what I am displaying on the holographic projector, the superhero Lightron comes from a different planet to save the people of Earth.